Hey guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do something a little different. I actually wanted to get a little casual with you guys and share with you some of my favorite things that I've been using over the last month or so. I've never done a video like this before, so if you like this kind of stuff, let me know down below. And I'm gonna get started with some of my favorites for the month of January, so let's get into it. The first thing I wanted to share with you guys was a new shampoo and conditioner that I've been using at home. So of course, being in the hair world, there's always new products coming out and I just have to try them all. So my shower just looks insane with so many different shampoos and conditioners, and I like trying all different kinds. So right now, the one that I am obsessed with is the Air Sapphire shampoo and conditioner. Now, when this product line first was announced, I just bit on it so hard because it is the first hair product line that has crystals infused into it. This is their first shampoo and conditioner that they've released. So this is the Sapphire shampoo and conditioner, and the shampoo has sage and quinoa in it, and the conditioner has black rice. So the nice thing about it is in the shampoo, the sage of course is also for cleansing. I know some of you guys maybe sage your house, cleanse your house. I know I do, and I do it in the salon as well. But sage is also really, really good for cleansing the scalp and also stimulating hair growth. So I love that they infused it into their shampoo because there are really great benefits. In the conditioner, they have added in the black rice, which is going to be a really great strengthening protein. There's also amino acids in it that's going to help hydrate the hair, and it also reduces friction too. So the cool thing about it is you're going to get great moisture, great color care, and it's not going to weigh your hair down. And of course it smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell it, but you guys have to just try it for yourself. It's so good. It's one of my new favorites right now. So of course, anything that's crystal infused is a little woo-woo, but you know, those of you that know me know I'm a little woo-woo. I love crystals. I've been collecting them since I was a kid. I have them in the salon and at home. And so now to have them in my hair care is really fun and exciting. So definitely think you guys should try this one out. The next product I was going to talk to you about is something you guys have maybe heard me talk about before over on my IG stories, but it is the IGK Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Now, this one is so cool because it actually has charcoal in it, so it's gonna have a detoxifying effect when you're putting it on your scalp. And I personally get pretty oily after a couple days of not shampooing, and because of the type of color I have, I only really like to shampoo every 3 to 4 days. So in order for me to be able to reach that point, I love the charcoal dry shampoo because it definitely has a little bit more of a grit and more of an absorbing end result, versus some dry shampoos can be a little bit too soft or they're not strong enough. And this one definitely has a little bit more texture. So if you are into something that has a little bit more volume and you don't mind that grit matte feeling at your scalp, I definitely recommend this one. If you have finer hair or if you're not into that product feel at all, just do a little bit because a teeny bit goes a long way. But it's definitely been a staple this last month, especially because you know, here in California, salons are unfortunately still closed. We're still in lockdown. So there's just, you know, a lot of doing around the house. And so don't really want to wash my hair all the time. So this helps to help extend that just a little bit longer. So to follow up with, from that dry shampoo, I wanted to share with you guys this next product. It's something that I started using the more I was using dry shampoo. Once you are going into the shower to try and get that grit out of the scalp, you're definitely gonna need a little bit of help massaging and manipulating the scalp and lifting out any of the debris. So I have been really loving this ColorProof scalp cleansing brush. So it does have a little string on it so you can hang it up in the shower, and it has a really nice grip. So you can hold it right in your palm, and it has these little silicone tips on it that helps to manipulate the scalp and help lift off any oil, debris, or dry shampoo, days and days of dry shampoo. But I really have been liking this. It's kind of hard to give yourself a scalp massage in the shower. It doesn't feel as nice as if someone else does it, but this has been so great and it feels really nice when you're in the shower. The way I like to use this is you, of course, wet your hair, get a nice lather going with the shampoo, and I like to go around the hairline and just brush back just a little bit. You don't want to brush through your hair because it can get tangled up and it's not really meant for that. So what I like to do is I like to insert it into the scalp and move it around, lift it, and then move it to the next location and then move it around. So you don't want to be, you know, combing your hair with it or brushing your hair with it. That's not what it's for. You want to move it around, lift, and then reposition. So it's been really nice to really get that clean scalp feel, and it helps to lift out anything that might be left behind. So now we're gonna switch it up just a little bit. Since I was talking about hair, I'm gonna switch over to body care. So these last few months being winter time, it's pretty dry here in California, and I've noticed that my skin is just really dehydrated. And let's be open and honest, I'm sure some of you guys can relate, but with dry skin comes those little bumps that can form either on the backs of your arms or the backs of your legs, or the backs of my calves is usually where it shows up. And I've been looking for something that's gonna help get rid of that. This is something that I found that really helped out with that. This is the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% alpha hydroxy acid. This has been great. I typically have really sensitive skin, so I have to be really careful with what I use on my body. But this has been great because it's actually formulated for sensitive skin, and not only is it a scrub that has physical little beads in it that's going to exfoliate the dry skin, but you're also getting the chemical in it as well that's gonna do a chemical exfoliation. So over time of using it, you're gonna start noticing really, really smooth, hydrated skin. I've been really liking this, and I definitely think you guys should try it if you guys are struggling with those little bumps that can form. One of the things I will say is because of the tube and the way it's shaped, when your hands are wet, it's kind of hard to squeeze the product out because it is such a thick, luxurious formula. I kind of just wish that maybe the dispensing was a little bit easier. But other than that, it's a really great product, and I really like it just to kind of get my skin back to normal and get it ready for spring and summertime, since there's going to be a little bit more skin showing around then. If you guys are going to try out that body scrub, the one thing I would really recommend is to make sure you hydrate your skin afterwards, because you are doing, you know, a bit of exfoliation. You want to follow it up with hydration afterwards. After I was getting out of the shower and I slathered my skin with lotion, I noticed that I just wanted that little bit more of hydration. So I came across this product, which, don't judge me, I've clearly used a ton of it, but it is the Davaness Authentic Moisturizing Balm. Now this is how much I love it. It's almost gone, but I love this stuff so much. This is actually going to be a multi-use product. You can use it in your hair, you can use it on your face, but I personally like to use it on my body. So when you are in the shower, after I'm done with the scrub, I take this product and I slather it all over my body and let it sit for a couple minutes while I'm conditioning or washing my face. And then you rinse it off, and it's like an in-shower lotion. You can also use it on your hair if you want to use it for, you know, a conditioner through the ends, or even on your face, but you do want to rinse it off. This is so cool that it's a multi-use product, and it really helps to hydrate my skin even more when I'm in the shower. I feel like this helps to avoid my skin from getting extra dehydrated just from showering every day. Obviously I love it, so I think you guys would like it too. That was it. Those are my favorites for the month of January. I know it's a little different of a video that I normally do on my channel, but let me know if you guys are into it. I like doing a little bit of different things. So if you guys liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Or if you guys would like to see something different, make sure to leave it in the comments down below, and I would love to create more stuff for you guys. So I'm gonna link everything down below if you guys are interested in picking any of these products up. These particular products I actually have in my shop, and I'll make sure to link that down below as well if you'd like to support me in my small business. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.